Jefferson County leaders are tackling teen tobacco troubles head on.
Students are attracted to them just because of the fun colors, the fun flavors that they're advertising.
I'm Lynthius Cheney, your Monticello neighborhood reporter, showing you how the county health department and sheriff's office are teaming up to protect kids and prevent youth vaping. The Florida Youth Tobacco Survey shows vaping is still a big issue. 10.4% of high schoolers statewide use e-cigarettes. In Jefferson County, every middle schooler who vapes nicotine also reports vaping marijuana.
Vaping is a major issue, and we're not only dealing with it here, it's all over our network with resource officers that I meet at the conferences, and we all have the same stories to share.
Sergeant Maurice Arnold, a Jefferson K-12 school resource officer with the Jefferson County Sheriff's Office, says youth vaping is tough to control because the devices are so easy to get. He gives students real-life examples of what can happen to them physically if they vape. He also stresses that when kids get caught, there are consequences.
The first offense from the school policy is ISS. So if we get kids continue to vape and we catch them, it goes from ISS to out-of-school suspension. And also in the process of doing that, say for instance, if they're given 5 days of out-of-school suspension, we have a tobacco course that I've got from SWAT, and that'll knock off 1 day of out-of-school suspension.
In the heart of Jefferson County, there's a determined movement to create healthier tobacco-free communities. Jefferson County Health Department is a big part of that movement, where tobacco prevention specialist Michael Angelis works behind the scenes supporting students and schools and helping the community shape tobacco-free environments.
Our school board has adopted all policies of no smoking allowed in campuses. We only have one school here. It's Jefferson County K-12 school. We also have tobacco-free public spaces. We don't have an adoption of our park being tobacco-free, but we have worked with our parks to get that signage up so that way our park, there's no tobacco allowed there.
Programs like SWAT, or Students Working Against Tobacco, are giving young people the tools to make a difference. SWAT lets students educate their friends and help stop tobacco use in their neighborhoods.
Student Working Against Tobacco is really important for a community like this, and just in general, because a peer wants to hear from another peer.
Out of more than 200 students, 10 to 15 of them have been caught with vapes, and many of them are repeat offenders. Sergeant Arnold says he believes if penalties were tougher, vaping wouldn't be as big of a problem. In Monticello, Lynthius Cheney, ABC 27.